x times square root of 2 under square root is equal to 4. Find the value of x. So to remove the square root, we know when a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we square it, the exponent is also multiplied with 2. Then we can remove the square root with the square. So let's square both the sides. Squaring both the sides, x times square root of 2 under square root whole square is equal to 4 square. Now we remove the square root with the square. Now it is x times square root of 2 is equal to 4 square. Again squaring both the sides. So it is x times square root of 2 whole square, then 4 square whole square. Now when a times b whole raised to the power m, it is equal to a to the power m times b to the power m. Therefore, it will be x to the power 2 times square root of 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 to the power 2 times 2 is 4. Now we know when a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. Therefore, it is 2 times 2, 4 in the exponent. Now it is x square, remove the square root with the square, times 2 is equal to 4 square is 256. We divide both the sides by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 times 128 is 256. Therefore, x square is equal to 128. Now to remove the square from both the sides, we square root. So it is x is equal to plus minus 128 under square root. Let's factorize 128. 2 times 64 is 128 and 8 times 8 is 64. So we can write it as x is equal to plus minus 8 square times 2 under square root, or x is equal to plus minus, it will be 8 times square root of 2. Therefore, x is equal to either 8 times square root of 2 or minus 8 times square root of 2. Now let's verify this answer. We have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Now when x is 8 times square root of 2, so 8 times square root of 2 times square root of 2 under square root. Let's see whether it is equal to 4. Now 8 times square root of 2 times square root of 2 will be square root of 2 square under square root. Remove the square root with the square, so it is 8 times 2 under square root. Therefore, it is 8 times 2, 16 under square root. And square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Now, let's take when x is equal to minus 8 times square root of 2. So, it will be minus 8 times square root of 2 times square root of 2. Or it is minus 8 times square root of 2 square under square root, or minus 8 times 2 under square root. Now minus 8 under square root, this we write it as 8 times 2 times minus 1 under square root. So it is 8 times 2, 16 under square root times minus 1 under square root, and this is an imaginary number, so we write I instead of this, and square root of 16 is 4. So x is not equal to minus 8 times square root of 2. Therefore, we take x is equal to 8 times square root of 2 as our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.